Okay, let's talk about the test we have last week. Chapter 10, exercise 10A and 10B. Most students did very well, okay, good in general. And some students many a bit careless mistakes, so they cannot get 50 marks, the full marks. The first question is very simple. Ask you to find VO, and most students can get the answer is 21. And then Happy asks about the volume of the pyramid. 1 over 3 base area times the height. And then you have found out the height is 21. This is 21. And what's the base area? You see the base is the rhombus. The base is the rhombus, okay? So the rhombus is something like that. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. And you see that the diagonal, this one AC is 40. And then this one is 36. Make sure that you know that the diagonal perpendicular to each other. This is because the property of kite, or you write rhombus. Okay, so it is very easy to find out the area of this one, okay. You can decompose into four triangles, okay, for this kind of triangles. This is 20, this is 18. Then you can find out the area is 720, and then you employ the formula, you find the volume is 5040, okay. And then we go to question 2. Again, very standard and straightforward. You know that the volume is 400 meter, and then you know that the side is 10. This is a square, 10, okay. So you can find by 1 over 3 the base area times the height equals 400, and then you can find that the depth of water is 12 cm. The wet surface, okay, the wet surface, you look at it, the wet surface, where's the wet surface? The wet surface is this one, okay, this one, okay. I draw it here. This is 10, okay, and then I use blue lines. This is the wet surface, okay. And then what you have found out is the height is 12, okay. But does it mean that this one is 12? No, it is wrong, okay. If you have done some of the exercise, you will notice that it is not 12. What's this? You look at this triangle, okay. What is 12 is this one is 12, what I call PV is 12, and then this one NP is 10, okay. 5, this is 5, 10 over 2, which is 5, okay. And then this one I use it blue color here is the height here, okay, is the height here, okay. So again, using Pythagoras theorem, okay, you can find out that the height for this triangle is 13. So for this size, okay, and then the area of a triangle is this one. So you find out that the answer is 260. Many students forget that, or carelessly think that this is 12 instead of 13. You have to find out the 13. Instead, it is not the height of the depth of water, okay. And we move to question 3. First, find out the volume, okay. 2 parts. The first one is the cylinder, and the second one is the cone. Very simple, okay. Most students get the correct answer, but some students, even with the calculator, they cannot find out the correct answer using the calculator. I don't know why, but the formula is correct, okay. And then next, you are going to find out the total surface area. Okay, how many surfaces are there? First you have the base, okay, the base, and then the curved surface area, okay, the curved surface area, and the curved surface area of the cone, 3 parts. The base is very simple, pi r square, and the cone is 2 pi r h, okay. And then what is pi r l? Pi r l, the pi, okay, the r is 6, you know, the l is from this triangle, okay, from this triangle, the l is the x, okay, which is root 180 using Pythagoras theorem. Some students did not draw this triangle, okay, and then they should write it like this. If they draw the triangle, this is the longer side, which is the hypotenuse, but some students did not draw the triangle, and then they thought that 12 is the longest, okay, so finding the wrong x, okay, be careful. The answer is 1500 cm square. Make sure that the unit sometimes cm square and sometimes cm cube, okay. And then the last question, okay, some students do it very good. They prove that it is a similar triangle, okay, but this is not our focus. So you just point out that it is a congruent triangles AAA, which is this one and this one, right angle and common, okay. And then corresponding size congruent similar triangles, you can find out that VM is 12, okay. Find the total surface area of the fluxum, okay. You see that there are 3 surfaces. One is the top one, and then the other one is the bottom one together with the curved surface area, okay. So how to, the first two is very simple, okay. The bottom, the top, okay, and the curved surface area again, pi r l, pi r, okay, small r small l minus pi r l, okay, because you don't, this is the whole one, this is the whole one, which is pi 8 l, I don't know this big L, and this is pi 6, this small l, where they, the whole one is the big L and the small one is the small l. How to find it out? Using Pythagoras theorem again, and then you can find it out with the help of the calculator. You can find out the answer is 511, okay. Okay, that's all. Most students get around 45 marks, okay, and some students got just pass around 20, and some student who may not understand got 20 only, okay. So try harder.